Today we are gonna fix Pawmo evolve error. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of two simple steps. The first step is to check if Pokemon Go is up to date. The error may have been resolved with the latest update. We open the Play Store, and if you need to update Pokemon Go, we update it. The second step is to change Pawmo. I don't have Pawmo, but I saw many people on Reddit have solved the problem this way. That's why I wanted to include this solution in the video. Hopefully, it will also solve your issue. To do this, we open Pokemon Go. Then go to Swap Bodies section. We click on Yes and proceed. After doing this, we select a Pokemon other than Pawmo as our body. We have changed Pawmo. Due to a current issue in the app, we can evolve Pawmo while it is selected as our body. By doing it this way, we will able to evolve Pawmo. If this solution didn't work for you, we will move on to the second one. The second solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall Pokemon Go. We can often resolve such problems by uninstalling and reinstalling the app. To clear Pokemon Go's data, open Settings, then go to Apps and click on Manage Apps. After that, type Pokemon Go in the search bar. Click on Storage and then clear Pokemon Go's data. Once we have done that, we uninstall Pokemon Go from our device. After uninstalling, open the Play Store and download Pokemon Go again. The download is complete. Now you can log back into your account and check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.